Let's take a look at the inside of the oxygen concentrator that we've made. These two pillars are the sieve beds in which zeolite is stored. This is the oxygen storage compartment. If you look inside, we have placed the compressor, which is in a silent zone, so that the vibrations are reduced by the spring and the noise is reduced by the enclosure, and there is foam on the side. You see, these are the filters. Various types of filters are used. This is the cooling that happens through the coil. This is again one type of a filter. So all this housing assembly has been made by off-the-shelf parts. Some things are customized and painted, like this is customized, painted. These currently are bought off the shelf. This is bought off the shelf. We have to productionize these items, which needs dies. There is an enclosure that we've 3D printed for now that has to be indigenized as well. So if you look at the number of components that go inside making this, are a lot. These two pillars are full of zeolite, very expensive material which is imported. And talking about the electronics, this is the solenoid valve assembly that has been customized for this application, and the controller board which has been made for this. Apart from this, there is an oxygen sensor as well that goes inside it. There is a complete LCD panel which is used to control this. Just giving you a brief of what we do. These are knee joints, pneumatic knee joints that we make. We supply to the army. These are components that are used to make this. We have a complete manufacturing facility assembly for this. This you see is a robot. It's being assembled. Due to COVID, things are half done, but this is a robot which is used to make paralyzed people walk. Let me show you more. These are all the parts that have to be assembled. This is our facility. This is the mechanical workshop area. Currently very less people because of COVID. These are treadmills that we manufacture. TMTs, that's the molding area. We have a lot of tools that are used to make all these parts. That's the drilling area, assembly area. This is the basement of our workshop. Now we will show you the working oxygen concentrator in the next video. This is the compressor that goes inside the oxygen concentrator. We have multiple compressors that we have used to see the best match for our capacity. So this is the video of the functioning oxygen concentrator. We got this enclosure 3D printed from the US so that we get an idea of what our enclosure looks like. This is the flow meter. We can reduce the flow and increase the flow. This is where the oxygen is coming out from. We'll show you an experiment to show you that it is working. This is the control display. This is actually something that can be reproduced to bigger numbers as soon as we start. So this is currently functioning. You see the control valve is over here. The control valve is over here, and you will be able to hear the control mechanism working. It works very well. We will show you an experiment right now. This is my partner Amol. So we'll show you that pure oxygen is coming out from here. You see the flame burning. This is a sign that pure oxygen is coming out. This is 95% pure oxygen. So we are actually ready to manufacture this. This is currently made of metal. We got it fabricated for our design. These are off-the-shelf wheels. So it is more or less ready to go.